Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make your Wi-Fi faster on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, in order to make your Wi-Fi faster on the PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and click on settings and then click on network. Once you do that, right here you're gonna find connection status and here you're gonna find settings. Go ahead and click on settings. Make sure it enable connect to the internet and here you're gonna find setup internet connection. Click on setup internet connection and then right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all the registered networks. Here you're gonna find everything. So right now we're gonna go to the network you're connected to, click on options, and then here you're gonna find advanced settings. Go ahead and click on it and then go to primary and secondary DNS. Right here in the primary DNS, go ahead and type this DNS 8.8.8.8 and in the secondary DNS type 8.8.4.4. Once you finish, go ahead and click on OK and then you're going to be able to connect to this DNS server. Basically guys, this DNS is for Google servers. So once you connect to it, it might even make your ping better on the games that you're playing online. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.